My name is Swetha. I'm from Instagram. Finished my degree in BSc Computer Science. I started my career in logistics. It's related to onwards process. Then after 1.6 years, I decided to switch my career in design field. That's why I chose the design marketing. I was interested in clothing sales. That's why I chose design marketing. And one of the growing industry is job marketing. That's why I chose it. Now I joined digital marketer training in company. It's I joined from GUVI HCL and it's going good and it almost finished 1 month. 1 month and now it balance month is 2 months. It's going good. And one more thing and related to digital marketing, like company and some job placement related good roles. And then mentors also learn it's very good. Maybe இங்கிலீஷ்ல நான் எடுத்திருந்தேன்னா some steps வந்து புரியாம இருந்திருக்கு. In Tamil means she will teach very much with me and I have doubt means I asked she will explain me not only me all other clothing also asking questions or she will test me. Also, it's very good. I do 3 projects. Three of them is the element I'm also teaching as a Swetha in my company also using Swetha. Both of them use things like same only. They have very good mentors and real-time experience in projects and placement also is very good. Now only join an intern, then I will decide as employee. Confident with fun and without any fear and confusions.